And this secret indlela uSathane wadalwa ngayo. Abantu abaninzi bazibuza uSathane wadalwa kanjani, wayephi xa wayedalwa. Before ndirevile isecret obuSathane wadalwa kanjani, kumele ngiqale ndinazise ndinicorrecte le mistake nayo ubuSathane ulingana noYesu. Sathane akalingani noYesu futhi akalingani noYesu. uYesu wabakho kuqala uSathane engakabikho. uYesu wabakho utanci uSathane engakabikho. Wenziwe uSathane phambi kwaYesu. That's what made uSathane abe ne-jealous. Okay ke? From the book of Enoch. uNkulunkulu waseyidalile konke. Waseyidalile uNkulunkulu konke. Waseyenzile uNkulunkulu izingilosi zonke. Waseyizenzile uNkulunkulu zonke izingilosi. From the first angels on the first heaven, the second angels on the second angels, the third ranking angels on the third heaven, and so forth. And he made cherubims. Lucifer wabakho kanjani. And he made cherubims with many eyes, and he made seraphims. Seraphims with different wings, and seraphims with different rankings. And God placed 4 living creatures, and he created thrones. Lucifer, and he created thrones. Different thrones. Zabazininzi i-thrones. And on the top of the thrones wabeka izidalwa or elders that will be kings in heaven and in earth. They will rule with God. They will rule with the Son of God. They will bear the mark of Christ and the mark of the Father. Wasibeka lapha ya. Wacreate many-eyed stations. Wabeka authorities. Wabeka different rankings. Wabeka rulers. Wabeka dominions. uNkulunkulu wacreate angels ne-archangels. Wabeka leading angels. Wabeka ingilosi ezinamagama ngamagama, amagama amakhulu, amagama athi mayibiziwe kubekwe earthquakes even in heavens. Wazibeka uNkulunkulu. Ngalo xesha uLucifer wayengekenziwa. Uthe uNkulunkulu seyizenzile zonke zingilosi. And it reason in the mind of God himself ukuthi makakhe ingilosi that will be above every angel. Uthe uNkulunkulu mayibuka iserafim, wazibona ukuthi zinegunya, wazibona ukuthi zinesidima sazo. Wathi mayibuka icherubims, wazibona ukuthi zinegunya, zinesidima sazo. Wabuka every angel ayenzile ngomoya wakhe nangamandla akhe. Wabona ukuthi wenzile ya kuhle kulungile kufanelekile. Wafuna uNkulunkulu ukwenza ingilosi that is more powerful. Ingilosi that is very powerful among and above every angel. And izanga yenze njengezinye ingilosi. Uthe uNkulunkulu mayizoyenza le ngilosi, wabiza wonke umkhosi wasezulwini. Wabiza yonke irank yasezulwini. Yonke irank yasezulwini. Akho irank yayingekho mhla wayibizwa, wakuzokwenziwa uLucifer. Igama lakhe lalinganguye Lucifer, lalinguLucifael, meaning the bearer of light of God. uLucifer was to be where God will be. That was his position. Wherever God will be, Lucifer was supposed to be there. Lucifer was supposed to prophesy ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoya kuphi. Lucifer was to lead angels in heaven. Lucifer was to lead legions in heaven. Lucifer was to hold higher authority. Hence the book of Ezekiel 28 says he was adorned with every precious stone. Each stone represented its power he represents and each authority he holds. uNkulunkulu wazibiza zonke lezi ngilosi zabakhona. And then he brought fire, heavenly fire of God, and he brought ice. And he forged the ice and the fire together. And then from his eyes, waphuma umbane, the lightnings from his eyes. This lightning struck together these two eyes and the fire. And then a new being was born. Why God will do this thing? Every angels, and yonke angel is invited by uNkulunkulu so that they will respect and bow before this angel. The only angels that were not to bow before Lucifer, yayizingilosi ezi-7 ezimaphambi kwaThixo. YayinguMikhayeli, yayinguGabriyeli, yayinguRafaeli, yayingu-Uriyeli, yayinguRagueli, yayinguZakhariyeli, yayinguSuyeli. These 7 angels zizokuphela ezazingalungelanga ukubow before Lucifer, because zona zazihold the authority elingana neyakhe. And uNkulunkulu wayivumile ukuthi ezi mazingabhawu kuyena because zona zazibizwa uba zizi-archangels, and Lucifer respected that. uNkulunkulu, the reason he created Lucifer like that, it was because Lucifer was supposed to have the power of fires and the power of spirits and the power to rule lightnings. He had every power. That is why the book of Ezekiel says, why hamba emlilweni? Why ngatshayiswa ngumlilo? Umlilo wawubhawa before yena because wakhiwa ngumlilo. Zidayilo sakumbona esakhiwe zonke zaba phansi. Ndinomfanekiso ke nomzekelo ndihleze ndiwusebenzisa ukuveza ukuthi uLucifer wayine influence engakanani. Hleze ndisebenzisa umzekelo oyi-1 and ngicabanga ukuthi this is the perfect example. Ndisebenzisa abantu abayibukelileyo i-wrestling. Niyababona abantu ne-characters zonke zakwi-wrestling. Zikhona ezi-influential nezithandwa kakhulu, but xa kusiza la character ukuthiwa igama layo nguJohn Cena, eqhamuka uJohn Cena kukhala ii-rings zakhe, kukhala ii-rhythms zakhe, every stadium cheers for uJohn Cena because unala position, unalanto yakhe yedwa negama lakhe lilodwa li-different. uLucifer hold i-powers like that. Wayithi mayivela uLucifer ezulwini zonke ingilosi ithi Lucifer, Lucifer, zonke ingilosi azimemeza uLucifer. One day uLucifer wenza into engalindelekanga. One day of the days, ilanga elalingalindelekanga, wenza into different. Yini leyo owayenzayo? Yini leyo owayenzayo? But yonke le nto ndikutshela yona is the secret. Very few people will know what I say and they will never believe. I do not care. Ngikhuluma ii-secrets mina. Secrets azange zitshele mina uba mangizigcine kumina, zatshelwa mina uba mangizazise abantu abafuna ukuziswa. Hayi isideke esitshela ukuthi siyazi. Nandaba nomuntu ozongiphikisa. I'm not here to do i-debate ngomuntu ozongiphikisa. Ndilapha to tell i-secret endingayazi endingeke niyitshele ngabefundisi benu. Yaziwa yimina nabantu abayifundileyo incwadi ka-Enoch.